find my other educational links in the description box. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such learning videos.